Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're this kind of a person whereby things are not going on well the way you want it to be, like in financial status, you're not financially fine, you need money urgently, you need money there and then, and things like you're struggling every now and then, like you're not seeing money, everything is tight, people are promised to pay but are not paying you, like as if there is no door, as if there are no doors that are opening for you, as if you're trying this and the other but nothing is making it sense, like that whatever you're doing it's not making any sense out of it. In your businesses, at your workplace, you're expecting money from people, you're expecting clients at your workplace, you're expecting clients in your businesses, but things are not moving the way you expected it to move. So what you're going to do, just get salt, and that is sea salt. Get sea salt. Sea salt, you know what, it cleanses all bad energies. You never know things that are not, you never know things are not working for you because of the bad energy around you, the bad energy like in the environment you're in. It's not basically fine. You know, salt cleanses, it cleanses all bad energies, it cleanses all bad luck. You get my point? So what you're going to do, you get get 2 spoons or 1 spoon of sea salt, you put it in your bathing water. After putting it in your bathing water, you bathe it. When you're bathing, you have to speak the words, you have to speak, you have to manifest, you have to speak like the Lord God, whatever is happening in my life and it's not moving in the way I want it to move on, I cleanse this bad energy around my life, I cleanse my soul, I cleanse my spirit, I cleanse everything that is tied on me, I cleanse everything in my businesses that are not moving on well. I expect money before the day ends. I expect money before everything comes to an end. I want only good things to move on in my life. I want money. I want to be financially stable. I have so much problems that needs money. So I want to cleanse off all the bad energies and bring in prosperity, bring in wealth, bring in a lot of money, bring in too much money, bring in so much money. So those are the words you have to speak when you are bathing in that sea salt water. After that, you go with it to your workplace, and you can, for example, like you sit on that table, you mop your table. Meanwhile, you are manifesting those words that I manifest customers to come here. I pray all the customers that are coming, they're supposed to be very positive, they're supposed to bring me money, they're supposed to bring in like a lot of money for me, I'm supposed to make a lot of sales. So after that, those, like if you're a business owner, go with that sea salt water and manifest. You manifest the Almighty Father. I manifest the way I'm cleaning my business. I'm cleaning off bad luck. I want only good positivity in my business. I want money in this business. I want all customers to bring for me money in this business. Oh, the Almighty Father, I pray everything goes on well. I pray for all customers to pass by. I want my business to shine in all kinds of life. I want my business to shine in this locality. I want customers to come. I want old customers who have been coming to continue on coming. Oh God, Father, continue to bring me customers, new customers, old customers, and all customers wherever they are. I want them to come in my business. Trust me, after that, everything, trust me, within 3 days, everything is going to be fine. You'll get customers, you'll get money at your workplace, your house will be full of positivity only, your house will be a very happy place where everyone wants to be. And also yourself, you'll be very happy because the things that have not been moving on well, they'll begin moving on well. You'll be very prosperous, you'll be wealthy, and you achieve whatever you want to achieve in that period of time. And please be doing that salt water on the old days. Odd days, that means like the third, the sixth, like the 9th, like the 12th, like the 15th, like, yeah. So that's what you're supposed to do. And please don't overuse it again. You can use it like maybe once in a month or twice in a month. Also, it's not good to overuse that salt water. You can also be removing good stuffs on yourself. So don't overuse it also. Be using it like once in a while. Like, I would recommend you be using it like maybe twice a month or once a month. It's very, very, very good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.